In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert to black and white in Darktable. If you've ever wanted rich, classic black and white results without guesswork, this approach is simple and powerful. We'll work entirely inside Darkroom using one tool, the monochrome module, and I'll show you how to control tonality the way film photographers used colored filters. Start by locating the monochrome module in the Darkroom view. It sits among your image adjustments and is designed specifically for black and white conversion. Open the module to reveal its controls. When you enable it, your photo immediately switches to black and white. This isn't just desaturation. The module remaps the underlying colors in your image into shades of gray, keeping detail and contrast intact so the result looks intentional rather than washed out. You'll notice a circular control with a hue palette. Think of this as a virtual colored filter, just like placing a red, yellow, or green filter over a lens in the darkroom days. Drag the handle around the circle to pick a filter color. Moving it toward warm tones, yellows and reds, will tend to brighten warm subjects and darken their opposites, which is fantastic for dramatic skies and defined cloud structure. Pulling it toward green usually lifts foliage, giving leaves and grass a luminous feel without losing texture. Sliding toward blue can bring out structure in warmer subjects and strengthen separation in certain scenes. As you move around the wheel, watch how different parts of the image gain or lose brightness. This is the heart of creative black and white. You're shaping how each color translates into tone. To refine that effect, scroll your mouse wheel while hovering over the filter circle to change the filter range. A narrow range creates a more selective influence, targeting a tight band of hues for bold, punchy separation. This is helpful when you want skies to go deep and clouds to pop without affecting nearby colors too much. A wider range casts a gentler, more inclusive influence across neighboring hues, producing smoother, more natural transitions, great for portraits and scenes where you want balance rather than drama. If skin tones look too dark or too light, widen the range and nudge the circle toward yellow or orange until faces look natural. For landscapes, try a slightly narrower range near red or yellow for intense skies or near green for luminous foliage, then back off to soften any harsh edges. That's all you need to craft expressive black and white images quickly. With the monochrome module enabled, the hue circle sets the mood and the range adjusts the nuance. Experiment, trust your eye, and enjoy the control.